の絨毯に似たこの世の花は皆表その下に流れる闇悲しみはそこから生まれ心さえ偽って生きるのか人は定めに操られるだけただ愛しきもの抱きしめ小さきもの守るため今日も誰かが叫ぶこの命さえも投げ出し時の中で燃え尽きるその一瞬に口づけを
Because I'm Shuichi Takatori, Reiji Takatori's younger brother.
What? Ooka? Miss Ooka!
Oh, Ollie. I'm so happy.
Ooka, wake up! Open your eyes! Ooka!
Why did you kill Aoka? Aoka was more precious to me than anything. She was my precious little jewel. And you...
Huh? Mr. Takatori, you are blaming the wrong people in all of this.
What?
We were not the ones who killed your precious daughter. We weren't even there.
I don't want to hear your excuses, Crawford.
But it was Weiss who killed Aoka. If you are to blame anyone, blame them.
It was Weiss.
They are strong. Very strong.
The identity of the criminals in a theft from the Asuka military base is still unknown. Our sources tell us that a fighter helicopter and a small cache of
Why
weapons
would
are missing.
anyone want to
Inventory
steal those
continues to
things?
How long do you think we're going to be able to keep this up? The Weiss?
The Shodik, or whatever they're called, know who we are now. We should lay low.
Yeah, I know. It might be time for us to disband the Weiss.
Not yet.
Huh?
We haven't finished yet. There's still more to do.
What do you mean, Aya? Hey, where are you going?
Idiot. He's got to change his attitude or he's going to lose his friends.
May I join you?
Uncle Shuichi.
I'm sorry. If I had told you about her sooner, none of this would have happened.
It's not your fault. You had no idea that Aoka and that I had met my little sister. I understand now how you feel about our family. What Father is doing is wrong. I know now that he must be stopped, even if it means having to fight him.
I see that now you understand.
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
Wait here. Shuichi. Who is that boy?
A criminal organization called Weiss has claimed responsibility for last night's bombing of an abandoned factory. The police are investigating whether or not this is the same group which stole the helicopter and weapons from the military base last week, and
Damn it. Who is spreading these lies about us?
Do you think this has anything to do with that robbery yesterday?
I think so, but they would attack us directly, wouldn't they?
This is getting weirder and weirder.
Why doesn't Persia give us another mission? They know who we are now. They're trying to get rid of us.
I don't need to know all this. You all need to lay low. If you act now, you will be playing right into their hands.
I'm after Reiji Takatori, no one else. I don't care about these others.
What are you talking about? You might not care about them, but they are a danger to Weiss.
If being in Weiss will get in the way of my revenge, then I quit the Weiss.
Aya!
Weiss has claimed responsibility for yet another bombing. As the casualties mount, the police seem to have no leads as to the
How
identity of these
incompetent.
ruthless terrorists.
Why won't you tell the police who Weiss is?
They are my prey. I'm not turning them in until I'm ready. And Mr. Big Shot owes me too.
Weiss. Finally, we'll have fun.
Isn't it odd that they would contact us first?
They're checking us out. We'll have to fight them sooner than I thought.
How do the rural returns look so far?
Reiji Takatori has an incredible lead.
Really? Then the next Prime Minister will be Reiji Takatori.
Thank you for coming all this way just to see me, Police Commissioner Takatori.
Drop the formality, brother. What did you want to talk to me about?
I wanted to talk to you about these terrorists setting off bombs all over town. What are they called again? Weiss. Do you think your police force can handle catching them? The Weiss?
Unfortunately, we have no definite leads at this time, but we are...
That's not good. At the very least, you will be held responsible for this gross incompetence. And you will be questioned intensively for no apparent reason. Unless, of course, they find a reason.
Actually, I have a question for you. About the Public Peace Special Forces. As far as I remember, it was an organization set up during your tenure as head of the Self-Defense Force. But the Special Forces unit seemed to have been dissolved. What could this mean?
I have no idea. Though there are some people who will say that they're my personal army. Would you like to arrest me and make me confess to it myself, Commissioner?
No. I'm sure I would never find any proof.
A wise decision.
Is that it? Or is there more?
Oh, yes. I wanted to thank you. And by the way, I heard you went to visit Aoka's grave.
Yes.
I understand there was a boy there with you. Who was he?
He told me he was a friend of hers.
Huh. Okay. Be careful, Shuichi. Why such an obvious lie?
Siberian and Balinese are both having doubts about this situation. It is imperative that we take some sort of immediate action against the bombers.
Who are you contacting, Omi? Are you keeping tabs on us for Persia? Are you telling him everything we do?
No, Aya. Don't resent Persia for what we do. Uncle is suffering too.
Uncle? Shuichi Takatori.
Abyssinian.
What are you trying to accomplish by using us? I haven't forgotten. You're also a Takatori.
Put that away.
But...
He just came to talk, isn't that right? My goal is the same as yours, Aya. I created Weiss to get rid of my brother.
Then why don't you give us the final mission?
It's not time for that yet.
Don't jerk me around, I've had enough. You just can't do it. You can't order us to kill your brother. I'm gonna do what I want.
If you kill him without a mission, that makes you nothing but a murderer.
I'm already just a murderer. All I want to do now is get him.
He's not someone you can get on your own.
I never expected to come back alive.
What about your sister? The only reason she's in that hospital getting the care she needs is because you are a member of Weiss.
I won't take orders from a Takatori.
He's so naive, it's ridiculous.
Maybe this is how it was supposed to turn out.
Command headquarters.
Mommy, what's this?
Someone must have forgotten it.
Let's take it to the Lost and Found.
13 dead, 51 injured. The explosives were the same in this incident as in the others.
More and more people are getting hurt.
We can't just let them keep doing this.
I know, but it's too dangerous to give orders knowing this is a trap.
The violence is escalating. Many more people are going to get hurt if we don't do anything. And don't think that you're immune, Commissioner.
They will be fighting the Special Forces.
They would have had to fight them eventually. They are well aware of the danger in this situation.
Okay.
Then you'll...
Now, Weiss, we have a mission.
Aya. She's out of the woods, but because of her slowed respiration, her brain was deprived of oxygen for a short time. Unfortunately, the chances of her waking up are... I'm sorry. When this is over, I promise I'll come for you.
If this is where the bomb was set, and this is the distance the stolen helicopter traveled, and this is where the gasoline truck they used to refuel was abandoned, then their hideout should be...
Why would they build their hideout on an old abandoned landfill?
Looks like it might be another trap.
It's all we've got.
That's good enough for me. By the way, has anyone seen Aya around lately?
Aya's not coming back anymore.
That night, it was raining then too. Aya! 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 Aya!
Oh, just a little more time.
Aya, we need to get home now. Mom and Dad are waiting for us to get there to have dinner.
Just a little longer. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Will you buy this for me?
Are they really what you want for your 16th birthday? I think they're kind of tacky.
Oh, but I really really like them. They're so pretty. Come on, please. I'll wear them every single day. I promise I will. Please, they're all I want. Oh no, it's raining.
Come on, hurry up. I'm hungry.
Okay, well, what do you want to eat for dinner then?
It's your birthday. We'll have whatever you like. What do you want?
Oh, then I want sushi and shabu shabu and a full 4-course French dinner and cake
Silly.
for dessert.
We're home. Aya couldn't decide what she wanted for her birthday. Aya! What's wrong? Dad. Mom. Why them? Huh? Run, Aya! Get out!
Ron? Ron!
Do it. Aya! No, Father didn't commit suicide. He was murdered. Oh. Aya, happy 16th birthday. Here, this is for you. Aya, I will avenge your suffering. To always remember why I fight, why I'll never stop, I will take on your name.
Weiss, drop your weapons. Come out slowly.
So it is a trap.
So sorry to disappoint you, but Mr. Takatori isn't in this car. You see, I had a vision you would try to murder him.
What are you talking about? You can see the future?
It's more of a taste of the future. But by all means, believe whatever you'd like.
I saw the future too, and you die. Right now.
Damn! Come on, you guys! We need to come up with a plan! We're totally outnumbered! Why isn't Aya here? Because he abandoned us. We're all that's left of Weiss now.
We've gotten another communique from Kritika. Bombay and the others are fighting, but with Abyssinian gone...
I see.
That car's been following us.
It's one of my brother's goons.
I wonder how they found out about you.
I believe they saw me meeting with Bombay at Aoka's grave.
Yes.
I'm sorry to be calling so late, But there's something I had to talk to you about. It just couldn't wait until morning.
What is it?
I wanted you to be the first to know I've won the election.
Congratulations, Reggie.
Oh, and I have another bit of good news.
What?
It seems the Public Peace Force has conducted an investigation, and they've discovered who controls Weiss from the shadows.
Oh? And who is it?
You really want to know? It's you. As soon as I'm sworn in, I'm going to come after you with that law you're so fond of. I hope you're ready.
Well, he's finally bared his fangs.
Indeed he has, and there's no need for us to hide ours any longer.
Then...
let's go get Abyssinia. Now.
How pitiful it is not to be able to see the future. All you can do is flail around in the dark.
The future is not meant to be seen. The future is meant to be made!
You can!
If they didn't have those helicopters, we'd kick their asses.
Damn! Isn't there anything we can do?
This is it!
Not yet. Not until I kill Reiji Takatori for taking away your smile.
Ah! It hurts! My body! I can't! I'm so sorry, Yuka. I don't think I can avenge you. Father!
He's the one who's causing all of this trouble. This isn't going to be over until we get rid of him.